Even though it's got the auto clutch, which is similar to the one that I've got in the 690, they set the idle up on these so they don't have flame outs. This is not acting like Recluse auto clutch. Maybe it just needs to be adjusted, I don't know. Say, as soon as you kick it into gear, it's gone. Woo! I mean, it's gone. Here we go, let's see what we can do. Getting on it. Wow. Bars are a little wider than the EXC I rode. That's for sure. Got enough rain, but not enough to... Oh, hello. Yeah, I don't like this clutch like this. I think I got the clutch adjusted to where I like it. I don't have to ride that clutch nearly as much. Try this one more time, see how the clutch is doing. Yeah, see, it's not totally pulling all the time now. I like that. Try this backwards. Oh, hello. And there we go, guys. You knew I was coming. You knew I was going to dump it. Isn't that what you watch for? Is to dump it? Try the single track again. Yeah, we definitely need to narrow these bars down just a little bit, guys. I haven't been down this trail in a long time, guys. So I don't know where it comes up. I don't remember. Woo. Hello. That log moved, didn't it? All right, now I know where we're at. We're right here. So let's try and find our way back without killing ourselves. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get it back to the shop. We're gonna do a leak down test. And why do I do a leak down versus a standard compression test? Well, that's because a leak down test will give you the condition of a lot more things. It'll give you condition of your valves, you know, that kind of thing. where a compression test pretty much only shows you what your cylinder compression is, how well your rings are building compression. Well, that won't tell you the whole thing. Oh yeah, this suspension really needs to be softened up a little bit. I know this is MX oriented bike, but that don't mean I have to keep it that way. I'm going to try and soften it up. What they did do to this bike, a 2018, is supposed to have that lost the brake. It's supposed to have that AFR air shock. Well, they converted it over to a cartridge. But, so we need to soften it up. I also want to get a steering stabilizer for it. Alright, we're back to the gate. Alright, give me a minute and we'll... Yeah, see, the clutch isn't doing that anymore. Not as bad. So I think I need to turn down the idle just a tad bit, because they turn these idles up so high because of people killing them. Because they're more of a motocross transmission gearbox. So we're going to see if we can't remedy that. So, guys, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get them future notifications. Alright, you don't want to miss any of this. Like I said, watch this thing go from total dirt to the true dual sport that can single track and get you between the trails.